Minista wa Ukaria Kipchumba Murkomen, munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja na wa borithi Ndikeri Mohamed Amin ibakinyete mbere ya kamiti ya Ukaria mpunkienenene kwariria mantu yagiongile kubwa wagagia ntere mwanya nthurune yamo ya yara ya murekini operation yochokia ng'ombe ira chiyirwe kaunti ya Meru gukirekana kwina obatu bobisi yo Ukaria kaunti eu rwangiro ruwete kwina bata ya rwangiro gambithania kwithira rukeya na nthinje nene Kenya giagaitakara abakinyithwa kotini ibokenda kunyia makarika ya baratuta riri mwandiki wetu wa ndeto kuma muci munene wa Nairobi Anthony Kathenya.
Akiaria mbele ya kamiti ya bunge nene ya Wikaria, waziri wa Wikaria Kipchumba Murkomen leo ni alidhiti mutaratara ulidhiti na mbere wa kuiga Wikaria na kulwa na omba banyambo jandide kaunti ya Meru ni odhiti na mbere wega na ni ombete kujara matunda. Murkomen akiuga mpaka omde ng'ombe imwele jari mpia ni jonekanite na jaumba gusokwa.
In the banditry prone areas, Mr. Chair, we have made great progress through intelligence-led operations. An operation is ongoing, Mr. Chair, and a great progress has been made. Recovery is also of a lot of livestock, including livestock that was stolen over a year ago, were recovered recently because of this intelligence-led operation. The National Police Service is seized of this matter, and we are working in a multi-agency approach to make sure that that area is liberated.
Weti nambele boboboega bwa mubango jo buika gilwa kilole ni mubungu wa Igembe gatigati Dan Kele.
Rustling cases have gone down since the operation started in Igembe. Congratulations for that. Let the operation continue and we'll have peace.
Waziri Murkomen akele digati ekinaibala bakwidokera kaunti ya Meru bethirito bakiumantere ja Samburu na kaunti ya Isiolo.
We continue facing challenge in the Isiolo, Samburu and Meru areas, that triangle there, because of generally bandits that come largely from the Samburu East to invade the places of and combining with those from Isiolo to attack sites of Meru.
Aidha kiale kile musemanio jo mubungu abori Mugambire Ndikeri ni amenereti governor county ya Samburu nontu bwa kweli mbele ya mwingi ati ni akugwata mbaru maidha.
The governor of Samburu in a public balasa issued a statement supporting the banditry activities. I'm so happy today the two members of parliament from Samburu are condemning the banditry attacks, but ironically, they are not condemning their governor, who went on publicly to say that bandits can continue terrorizing people internally and externally.
That we just leaders, either from Meru, Samburu, Isiolo, or whatever, we must all of us support security operations and avoid any incitements that may become a block.
Kaunti ya Meru ni mea kaunti la jina gitugia utuilia Wikaria gwetu kila satellite kienda gutetheria kulwa na ekinae amwe na ambabanya mujandethia.
Nairobi, Mombasa, Nyeri, Meru, Nakuru, Eldoret and Kisumu, plus now a national command center.
Na okagitaka mubunge Dan Kele ni auliti waziri Murkomen gukilio tungata boitubia polisi biage utene na kengo kenda kuthongomia Wikaria ntere ino kagitaka lele ithite batina witikio na gitengo kia polisi gia SOG kile akuga kithirito ikianga ikia kariba ntere ino.
We have a problem with that SOG team, and the whole of Igembe Central, Kiengo sub-county, we have OCPD and DCI, but we don't have a police station. So we were requesting for upgrading of Kiotene police post and Kiengo police post, so that instead of having SOG there, we can have police stations that can put the roadblock, because the SOG are doing nothing. There is no insecurity, there are no criminal activities going on. They are just beating people for no reason. And we have the records, and they have reported the police stations. We have the OMBs.
Kumamu jimuneno Nairobi, kumamu jimuneno